Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Nutella, chocolate chip and caramel. If you combine all those three ingredients, you will have delicious Nutella chocolate chip caramel cookies. I saw this recipe a few days ago on Six Sisters Stuff's Instagram page, and I know I had to try this. They turned out so delicious, gooey, chocolatey, and then melted caramel that I know I had to share this recipe with you guys. So let's go and make it happen. So for these cookies, first we need cake mix. Yes, you heard it right. We are making these cookies with the cake mix, any moist cake mix. And then transfer all those ingredients in a mixing bowl. Now forget about the box direction. Add eggs and some cooking oil, and then add Nutella or Nutella, whatever you want to call it. But add this yummy gooey goodness in this mixture, and then start mixing until everything is combined. Now for the original recipe, they use devil's food cake mix, but you can use any moist cake mix for this recipe, and ask your kid to come and help right at this point. They would love to mix for you. Then when everything is fully combined, now I'm adding milk chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet or dark chocolate as well. Then I'm adding some caramel bits. Now if you live somewhere where these are not available, you can use regular Kraft caramel squares and just chop them into 8 or 4 pieces. When everything is fully mixed, I am aligning a cookie sheet with the parchment paper. Then I am picking up this cookie mix with the tablespoon, and then I'm turning it into a little ball. Use all the cookie batter and and this will make 24 cookies. Now my oven is preheated on 350 degrees, and these will go in the oven, and it will take like 8 to 10 minutes. If you like gooey or little undercooked cookies, 8 minutes is perfect for these cookies. When your cookies are completely cooked and they come out, let them cool down on a cookie sheet for a couple of minutes, and then transfer them with the help of spatula onto a wire rack and let them cool completely. Now since it has caramel, and caramel melts and then they stick to the parchment sheet as well. If you don't like broken cookie, or if you don't like that, just to avoid that, don't add the caramel bits in the cookie mixture. Just add the when you make them turn them into a ball, just add a little caramel bits on top of your cookie mixture so they don't touch the cookie sheet. And that's it. Here are your Nutella caramel chocolate chip cookies. Serve them with a cup of milk. They are great when they are warm because caramels are melted, so just warm them again in the oven whenever you're using them later for 5 to 10 seconds in the microwave, and you will have the yummy melty goodness in your mouth. If you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.